Good morning, guys. Today, the day has finally come. Product lines going in the stores. You're gonna love this.
Coming back, I just bought a Cadillac, go put some 12s in the back. Might cost some 22s on rubber band, look like the tire flat. On side kick, 10 yards, and I brought it back. Old pack of gas, make money off midget bags. And I got them high prices, you don't buy it, I ain't mad. They might suspend my license, cause I'm swerving on their ass. I'm acting like Mike Tyson, I'm biting the ear, I'm hitting from the back. I just flipped another pack, and I just made another stack. Chase the sack, I ain't a rat, but I be where the cheese at. Crystals on the cocaine, we got ounces, we ain't selling bricks. Bust them down just like your bitch, take the profit, pay the rent. I might turn that coke into a bag. I might turn that coke into a jam. Drop it, you can bring it back. When I hit in front of back, she just bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. If you done bought it, nigga, you can't bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back. Drop, cut a rocket, you go bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back. I smack her on the ass and tell her bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back. Do it to me on the.
So here we are, guys. April the 3rd, 2018. We have arrived at our first convenience store. I don't know if you guys can see that. Super Express. There's probably, 10 locations in the Augusta area and surrounding. They might have more than that, actually. We've got to find out. So, this is the very first store, guys. This is the very first store. The gentleman that runs this particular location has that Lexus right there. I guess his name doesn't really matter. But I'm about to go in and meet with him. I kind of got butterflies a little bit, but not really. Just one of those things. I've never done this before, obviously. So, my products, 3-ounce bottles right here. Boom! Here's the tire shine. Here's the wash and wax. Getting ready to put them in the stores, guys. This is pretty cool. I'm really interested to see how this is going to turn out. I'll come back. I'll probably come back sooner, but typically, well, let's back up. I used to work in convenience stores when I was going to college and stuff out of the military. They were perfect jobs to have to work with your schedule as far as going to school and everything. So typically when vendors would come in, which that's what I would be, that's what my title would be at this current time, servicing convenience stores, a vendor. They would come in about once a month and check on their products. And then they would drop their invoice to the store manager or whoever's in charge. And then they would, I guess, make sure that got to whoever pays the bills, of course. So here we are, going in here to talk to the nice gentleman. Gonna take some pictures. I may or may not video. Well, you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna take a little bit of video, just to see him set up in the store. And like I said, they usually would come back, was it every 30 days? But I'll probably come back in about a week. But this location right here is actually about 3 miles from my house. So this would be the closest one to where I live. So this was the one. This is where the guy that I originally spoke to works out of. And we're ready to rock and roll. This is awesome. And people getting off work, Masters Week. LIFTOFF Auto Detail Products. Check them out, guys. www.vetautodetailproducts.xyz. And here we go. I'll be back, guys. There it is, guys. Ooh, focus. We are live. Very first store. Now, hold on, let me see if I can clean that thing. That thing is. There we go. It was just dirty. Look at that. Right there by the Slim Jims in the automotive section. Boom. And this is where I said, guys, this is where the products will be in the convenience stores. Now, this particular one the automotive section is actually at the front of the store. The door's right there. There's the front door right there. So there you go. Hopefully those will grab some people's attention. They'll check them out. I'm going to come back. Still not focusing. There we go. I'm going to come back probably about a week just to see if anything's sold. It's pretty exciting, man. Randy out of here. Product launch. Bet Tough Auto Detail products. Got them in the stores. Next stop, Shark Tank. Randy out of here.
Being broke is a fashion I never seen fun. I might turn the coke into a bag. I might turn the coke into a jam. Drop it, you can bring it back. When I hit it from the back, she just bring it back.